Exactly. You two are taking so long, I miss snack time.
I guess we better get some food.
Nope.
It'll be great to get back to the octopod and get some sleep.
Aye. What's wrong?
Nothing.
If nothing's wrong, why do you keep growling like that?
Huh? Oh, that's not me. It's my belly. I guess I'm hungry.
Here it comes.
Uh-oh. The flash! Shh!
All right. Owls?
Ugh, okay, that is really, really gross. Seriously. Okay, my stomach's gonna cry.
I can't believe I wanted to drink that.
I'm saying! How do we do it? We can't think on an empty stomach. To the hokey poke! To the hokey poke! Hurrah!
Good thing we brought the big tent.
The bear is back! Death, destruction, bite marks!
That was actually my stomach. Oh, could this be any worse? Whoa, I think I drank it all. Uh-oh. Coming through.
Oh, I don't even clean up my own room. So much kissing. Ugh. Time to break out of this joint.
Oh, it's not good. I can't get to sleep. Oops, that's my tummy. I'm really hungry.
From today, you're students at this teeny pink school, and I'm your teacher, too. I'm hungry, Here. What, you're done?
No, I'm not. I'm still starving.
Tummy. I'm going to the restroom.
Johnny, are you all right?
Yeah. Except for this terrible stomach ache. That's nice. Johnny!
Someone's taking my stuff, and I'm gonna get to the bottom of it. Speaking of bottoms, gotta go.
Oh, I always knew you guys had problems, but I never realized how bad it was.
Have you eaten today, son?
No, I haven't, but it's because...
Oh!
I'm hungry.
Me too.
I know, I'm an aardvark, and yet it's been 6 weeks since I last ate an ant. Go ahead, insult me, but if you want my own stomach, I disown you. Yeah.
Oh, and there's more where that came from.
This puking. I'll get a sample to lab rat. What was that?
My stomach.
The girl with the stomach of steel has a tummy ache?
Do not. Ugh, I'm fine. Now get that sample to lab rat pronto. Ugh.
Sure. Talk to you and your widow tummy later.
What the?
Woo! I need to cut back on the kibble.